This is my puppy Coco. Say hi, Coco. Look, don't run. Look. Oh, give me a kissy, Coco. She's my baby. Don't move, Coco. I spilled chocolate milk on my skirt today. Alright, bye, Coco. Not pretty. This is my iPod Touch. My little icons. I'm telling you people, this thing is my life. Let's see. I have a science test tomorrow and a social studies test tomorrow, or quiz. So I'm going to add it in here. Science test is already logged in. Already. Social studies already. I mean, it's lightning fast. Well, sometimes. I have all sorts of games. I have Stapler. This thing is awesome. You know, if I could rate this thing out of 5 stars, I'd probably give it a 4 3/4. There's some minor glitches, but other than that, pretty nice. I have a chainsaw. Isn't that awesome? Oh, sorry guys, that was my picture. Okay, stop. Atomic fart. Oh, gross. Warn me next time. Just kidding. Just kidding. What else should I show? Waterfall.
Where's Coco?
Teaser.
Where's Coco?
On the couch. If you have the iPhone, it vibrates, but not on the touch. But because there is no vibrate. But I strongly like it. And if you want to take a picture, you just press the home key and the hold key.
Hey, Coco!
Hey, don't yell. I'm making a video. Press them at the same time. And then look. Go to Photos. Save Photos. And there it is. Right there. See, that's not the home screen. Now I'm going to delete that. Also, if you like Google image search something, like, let's see. Okay, well, let's Google image a smart car, because my new thing is smart cars. I love smart cars. I have a cough drop. Wow. Let's say that I think that that picture, the red one, is so awesome. Man, if only I could have that as my wallpaper. Well, I'm telling you that you can. Okay, so you press the picture and hold. Save image. Then, again, go to photos. Well, sorry about that. Save photos. And look, there it is, right there. And I kind of dropped this in the toilet the other day, and I thought it was going to be gone forever, and it wasn't, and I was so happy. Don't worry, I sterilized it. But I love this baby. I love it. I'm going to cover up my whole engravement. But, I mean, I've dropped it a couple times and scratched it, but, you know, in the end, who really cares about that stuff? Wow, that position makes me want to laugh. Well, gotta go do my homework now. Wish me some darn tootin' luck. Especially on my science and social studies quizzes / tests. And any other things coming up in the future, like my essay due Friday and my project due Thursday. So yeah, got a lot going on this week. Wish me luck. And comment. Just comment, luck. That's the luck, luck. Oh, I also want to tell you a special secret. Love doesn't really come from your heart. It comes from your brain. So it's not really I love you. Or no, it's not really I heart you. It's I brain you. So I brain you all over and out. Wish me the best of luck. And I brain you all. Bye.